I must admit, I do find this rather exhilarating, in spite of myself.
Contact, go!
You may want to hurry. Cortana is attempting to activate several high-level communication systems.
How much time do we have?
Very little. Not enough. Almost none, in fact.
Light down. Knock that thing off its ghost. Got a knife moving up. Light down. Scorpion's under fire. He's getting me target. Kill the phaser.
To knock us out! Regroup!
One down.
Humanity has not changed much since last your kind walked the stars. You are as deadly as ever. This way, straight ahead.
Scorpion's under fire.
You wish to take on an army in nothing but that combat skin? How reckless. Oh, there's supposed to be a bridge here.
Is there another way across?
One moment.
Hold positions!
There you are. Oh, I can work bridges too, it seems. Most exciting. Come along. Hurry, humans. The gateway is
Monitor,
almost...
why do you aid these humans?
I have bad news, humans. The Warden has found us.
We dealt with him before.
And you likely will again. He is rather tenacious. Warden, why do you help the Ancilla? It is not protocol. It is not right.
The facility's need for you is past, Monitor. The reclamation has begun. Cortana will bring a new dawn to the galaxy.